Hi, I'm Andrew Bailey. I am the inventor of something called the carbon capture module. I'm the inventor of something called the Enviroplex, which incorporates the carbon capture module. And it is a system designed to remove carbon dioxide from Earth's atmosphere and to capture that carbon and do something of value with it, thereby reducing the amount of CO2 in Earth's atmosphere. I'm sure you know that the excess CO2 in Earth's atmosphere, estimated 1 trillion tons of it, is causing chaos with our weather, with our climate. We're in really, really big trouble because about 200 years ago, something began called the Industrial Revolution. And it was based on the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, gas, and so on. For the last 100 years, we've known that that was actually a dangerous thing to do. And we have not acted in time to avert serious changes and serious uncertainty as to our future. So the real question is, can something be done about it? The quick answer is yes, it can. It has to be done at a scale that's never been attempted before. That is what we're talking about here, my friends. So here we are on our Patreon fundraising campaign. We're reaching out to you and our friends and family globally, developing a climate action community. So we're a very small team. There may be 10 of us. Our youngest is 17 years old. Our oldest is 78 years old. In other words, we're a multi-generational team of honestly pretty brilliant people. We are ready to go. The only thing lacking is the funding. And this is where you can come in. You can really help us simply by joining this community. We're a remarkable team. Right now, we're based out of Colorado. We're not far from Boulder in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to be building prototypes and doing what is called proof of concept. And friends, this is a project that has to be taken global, worldwide. Nobody's ever done that before in the boots on the ground design of a company. That sounds ambitious, but we absolutely can do that these days. There's nothing in the world to stop us other than our fears and our lack of trust in the abundant, loving universe. So, friends, please join us, support us, fund us, come and be with us. This is going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. And I know you're afraid. If you're aware of what's going on climate-wise, I know that you have feelings on that subject. And here's a community who is educating itself and doing something about it. So please join us.